Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing absolutely wonderful. A new day, a new vlog. Bright sunny day. बहुत धूप है आज. So today's vlog is all about brotherhood. I'll be sharing today's vlog. Return trip from Silvassa. उसमें बहुत सारी emotions आपको आज देखने को मिलेगा. How biking brotherhood matters to everyone. How strong that is. How powerful that is, and how emotional they are. तो वो आपको आज की वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा. So guys, hope you're enjoying my videos, and let's start the vlog in no time. Before that, subscribe to my channel, Bibs Stringman. Let's start the vlog. राहुल भाई, मिलते हैं फिर. ट्रिप मीटर 0. बाय बाय. Whatever happened there was never expected. Like coming for a 4,000 kilometer trip and on a bike ride when you have big boys with you and they are crying, they're getting emotional of you leaving the event and going, bidding goodbye to each other for some time, obviously, because we'll be meeting always. I think this is why we call as biking brotherhood. Yes, this defines everything. आप कहीं पे छूट जाओ, anything happens to your bike, anything happens to you, they all are always available to stand with you and help you get out of the situation. So hats off to biking brotherhood. And my first trip to Silvassa was really successful. I saw many things, I learned many things about riding, about brotherhood, about helping each other, and the gratitude. Thanks a lot, Almighty, for giving this wonderful opportunity, for doing such a wonderful trip with these lovely brothers of mine. So this trip till now has been very good. Silvassa has been a very nice and a wonderful place, Khanvel. And these valleys, these mountains, they look so huge and magnificent. So I actually don't have words to express, but whatever it is, like, I'm loving it. My first ride, so feels very proud. इतना दूर हम लोग आए, and we did it. We clocked almost around 2,200 kilometers we have been riding till now. And now our next destination is Trambakeshwar. So we have been riding since a couple of days, like around 6 days we have been riding and riding and riding. So बहुत थक चुके हैं, इसलिए you can see my speedo, we are going at 40. इतना ही बोरिंग लग रहा है यार. 40 पे कोई गाड़ी चलाता है क्या? इट्स सेफ दो, बट अगेन इट्स वेरी बोरिंग बिकॉज टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक बॉडी बहुत थक चुका है राइडिंग इन लास्ट 6 days. सो आगे जाके कुछ खाएंगे, भूख भी लग रहा है. सो ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकले थे सिलवासा से, खानवेल से, एंड आगे जाके कुछ खाना पीना करेंगे, फिर देन विल प्रोसीड. शायद उसके बाद थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ेगा, शायद, आई डोंट नो, बट जस्ट एन्जॉय द व्यू. And finally reached Trimbakeshwar. The view is so beautiful. Like I have been following this mountain. जब हम लोग आ रहे थे रोड पे, so this mountain जो सामने है मेरा, it was visible from around 25-30 kilometers, and we were following this mountain and we reached here. वो mountain के नीचे है त्रिंबकेश्वर का टेम्पल. लेकिन आई एम स्केप्टिकल, लाइक अभी दर्शन हो पाएगा या नहीं, क्योंकि इवनिंग हो गया है और लेट भी हो चुका है. सो गेट्स बंद हो चुका होगा और विंटर का सीज़न है, सो द सन इज़ गोइंग डाउन फास्ट एज वेल. एंड टुडे वी हैव टू रीच शिरडी बाय टुनाइट. देखते हैं शिरडी पहुंच पाते हैं या नहीं, क्योंकि लाइक ऑल आर सो टायर्ड, वी आर मूविंग वेरी स्लोली टुडे. विल पार्क अप बाइक्स और वहाँ पे देखते हैं, कुछ जुगाड़ लगाते हैं, फिर देखते हैं होता है या नहीं. Slowly wading into the streets of Trimbakeshwar. और सामने दिख रहा है हमारा टेम्पल, मंदिर दिख रहा है, लेकिन पता नहीं अंदर जा पाएंगे या नहीं. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ व्हेन यू सी योर डेस्टिनेशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड इट टेक्स टाइम टू रीच योर डेस्टिनेशन. सो दैट जर्नी इज कॉल्ड सक्सेस. फील्स रियली वेरी गुड व्हेन यू रीच योर फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन.
Toma jangan ikut kemana? Aku sama dengan ini.
Today it's very crowded as you can see, as it's a weekend. और हमको भी बहुत थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है गाड़ी चलाने के लिए, because we have our luggages tied up were bikes. So it's really getting difficult to wade in to the streets because everywhere there are pilgrims and सबको देख के गाड़ी चलाना पड़ेगा. See how slowly we are going in. So being skeptical worked. दर्शन हो नहीं पाया. Anyways, heading to Shirdi now. जल्दी पहुंचना है, फिर थोड़ा रेस्ट लेंगे. Hell damn tired. Exiting Trimbakeshwar. Wow, what a view. We slowly get into the evening time. And the best part about night rides are you can show off your flasher. They look more prominent at night. Getting difficult for me to ride. As you can see, there is zero visibility on my headlight. I'm using the stock headlight of my Himalayan. So I have planned after reaching Nagpur, I'll be putting on the auxiliary lights because we don't get good options at Odisha for the auxiliary lights. So I'll be installing them at Nagpur itself. Me and Aditya will be installing them at Nagpur itself क्योंकि नायर में गाड़ी चलाने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है on the stock headlights. Finally reached Shirdi. It's around 10 o'clock at night. The GoPro is also dead. We are exhausted, hell exhausted, and we'll be taking some rest for today. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thanks a lot for supporting my channel. And do share, subscribe, like and comment my channel Bib Stringman, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my latest videos. Thank you, guys.